Hi, I'm Ana from GTA and I'm part of the commercial department. We are the ones that help you with your courses. When you want to start a course with us, this is the usual process. First of all, you contact us via email or through any of our platforms. Once we have received that request in the commercial department, any of us, we help you and we send you all the information regarding the course, such as duration of the course, the program, the pricing, and the requisites you need to complete. We keep in touch and we resolve any doubts you may have for it. After that, you need to close the course by paying the booking. Once we have received that payment, we send you your enrollment for the e-learning platform where you start your self-study phase and your invitation letter for your visa application. After that, you only have to take care of your airplane ticket, your visa application, and to have the payment full 7 days prior to the start of the course. From GTA, we take care of the accommodations and the shuttle during your stay. Through our CPAT platform, you'll have access to CBT and other material. This way, you can be prepared for the ground training phase of our course. Once you have arrived at any of our centers, you start your ground training. This part consists on face-to-face classes with our instructors. You will be learning assignments such as systems, procedures, and performance. The last part of ground training is done with sessions at our VPT. That way, you're better prepared for the simulator sessions. You're ready for your simulator sessions. The last part of the type rating is done at our top-of-the-line simulators. The training sessions are done at fixed base and full flight, finishing with a skill test, when you will be evaluated in order to finish successfully your type rating. After completing your skill test, we need to check all your documents. That is done on paperwork day. That is usually the day after the skill test, and you must come to our offices and we check everything for you to be ready to go back home. This is also to celebrate and give you your trophy and your certificate for the course. After that, you're ready and you can go back home. Okay, what are you waiting for? Come join us on GTA.